Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 240. The word origins today is, we have two, bullish and bearish. So did you ever wonder why we use bullish and bearish, especially for the stock market or the economy in general? Why do we say bullish? Where did it come from? Why do we use a bull? Why do we use a bear? That's what this video is going to question. Okay, anyway, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. A stock market that is bullish is one in which most analysts or people expect the overall market to rise. By extension, it could be used to mean individual stocks to rise as well. So an individual stock could be bullish or bearish. The term could also be used in a general sense that someone or something's future looks successful, especially for the economy. Okay? And really, bearish is pretty much the opposite here. So a stock market that is bearish is one in which someone expects the overall market to go down. By extension, expecting individual stocks or commodities to go down too could also be considered to be bearish. This can also be used in the general sense as looking like a period when things will not be as successful, again, especially economic activity. All right, let's continue. The origin of these terms is believed to derive from the way a bull and a bear attacks its enemies. A bull will push up or thrust up with its horn, so it moves up. Okay. A bear, on the other hand, will swipe down with its claws, so a bear will attack it down, kind of like that. Okay. Thus, a bull attacks with an upward movement and a bear with a downward movement. So this is why bullish is up, bearish is down. So this is one theory. This is one of the most common ones you often hear. We have one other. Second theory states in former times there were middlemen who bought skins that they had yet physically received and then selling them. And these were supposed to be bear skins in the hopes the price will drop. If they were correct, they could profit from the spread in price. So they would actually, buy them, but not physically have them. They just bought the paper or the document of them, and then they sold it before they actually got it, hoping that the price would go down and they would profit from, in between. They famously started to be called bears, short for bearskin jobbers, and the term became permanent for referring to a downward market. Okay. All right, now the other part with the bull, I guess. In former times, they used to have a blood sport of pitting a bull against a bear, so they were considered to be opposite. So that's according to the second theory. So that's where the bull would have come in with the second theory. Even though I think most people think about the first theory as the main one. All right, we got three examples here to show just how we'll use it. Here's the first one. Some analysts have a bearish outlook for the economy next year. Okay. Number two here, the value of that company's stock has been bullish all year, so maybe it's been going up. Due to lockdowns and many of that company's locations were shuttered. Okay, and the value of their stock has been bearish all year. It's been going down because they were forced to close a lot of their locations, and of course, if you're closed, you can't make any money. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.